Hello, it's Jimmy here at the Willys. Have something we can look at. It's a Pelsee Dash camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open the box, we'll have a look inside, and then we'll look at getting it fitted to this vehicle here. So first we can slide off the outer sleeve there. Now inside we have two separate cases here, two compartments of the box. So we've got accessories and then the camera itself in that side. So we've got it open, let's see what's inside. Some cables. So we've got a long cable here with a camera that looks like it's for the rear view. So you've got what looks like it's going to be the rear mounted camera plus the front dash cam here at the front for the main unit. And then here we've got a power supply that has got a secondary output at the top. Here we've got some sticky pads, interior trim tool and a micro SD card. Now here we have the main unit. On the underside there we can see some control buttons. Looks like an up, down, a menu button and a power on. SD card slot is in the side there. And if we peel this back it reveals another screen. And here we have a forward facing camera. So sorry, it looks like this one may be the forward facing camera and then this one is an interior camera. So I'm just powering it up so we can see what we're looking at. Okay, so I can see there that we have a front facing camera as well as a rear facing camera here on the side. So you can see me there at the top corner holding the camera, and we have a very high quality front camera there that looks to me. I'm not a big user of dash cams, but the quality to me looks very good. Okay, so you can connect this to Wi-Fi to view the footage of it on your phone. It's got a parking mode, file explorer there, voice control. Let's see what else we can go through. So it looks like that is all of the menu options there that we have. So let's select parking mode. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe it's going to record while the ignition's off while you're parked. Requires installation of a hardwire kit. Okay, so we can't do that without the hardwire kit. Okay, so now I've got the SD card in and it is recording. You can see there, top corner. Now if we go into the files you can look at, there's three separate areas here. You've got the rear camera, which I haven't set up. It's going to take a bit of fiddling to get that to work. Of course we're going to have to run it through some areas. Yeah, to get the rear camera working we're going to have to run that through the trim of the car, down along either the floor or the roof to get that fitted in. And then we have the cabin camera and the front camera. Let's just click on the front camera here. So you can see. So you can hear me talking there. It's got sound as well as the video, or audio as well as video. So again here, one of the great things about these cameras, I don't know if there's other models that do this. I've not seen one before, to be honest, but like I said, I'm not a dash cam enthusiast or anything. Most of the normal dash cams I've seen in Halfords don't have the Wi-Fi feature where you can connect your phone to the dash cam and see the footage of what's happening, and you can play back anything that's happened. So if there was something to have happened, say someone's broken into your car and they've stolen items or they've stolen the actual dash cam itself, I'm pretty sure you could have the footage here recorded on your Wi-Fi down in the app. So if we click into the files here, we can see all of the files that were recorded on the dash cam of today. So other than that, now I'm looking through some of the options that we have on here. If I do miss anything out, please add it in the comments and I'll try to answer you. If not, I can put the link here as well in the video description where you can buy this and some more of the descriptions of what it can and can't do. I know on my last video there was some questions that I didn't really know how to answer. So you can do voice control here. It says open screen, open recording, show the rear camera, take a picture. Some of the voice controls that you can do. Now I have been meaning to make a video for this for over 7 or 8 weeks. It's been here, and they sent it to me just to have a look over it and make a video on it. I didn't really get a chance to do it. I've been so busy, so It's just a last minute video. Apologies if it's not everything that I don't answer everything that you want on this video, but from what I can see, I mean, you've got your voice control, your parking mode settings. Let's go in there. You can change the video resolution, loop recording. I know some people were saying about the video resolution on the last one is that you only get 4K if you don't connect the rear camera. If you connect the rear camera, on my other Pelsee unit, someone did comment, I'm not sure how true that is, that if you connect the rear camera you no longer get 4K, you only get 2K video on the front and 2K video on the rear, so it might be worth checking that. Video resolution, let's have a look. 2K or 4K. Sound recording, obviously of course you can switch that on or off. Factory reset, format, app downloading, cabin camera recording, so you can switch that off if you want to. Flip the rear view, overspeed alarm, GPS accuracy adjustment, display the GPS speed, you can display that if you want. Timestamp, speed units, so miles per hour or kilometers, I imagine. Yep. Now what I will say is, if there's something else or you want a little bit more in depth, I can try to set this up into the vehicle and make another video in the future and show you a little bit more of the unit itself. Now I don't think there's anything else I can show you. Of course we've got the app, we've got the footage on the app. I can take you through the app and show you a little bit more of that as well. Okay, so here we have the app, we have the camera, you can go to your album like I've already showed. Not sure why it's saying there's no app settings, feedback, help, camera. So oh yeah, we need to connect it to the P2. There we go. Sorry, my phone just keeps automatically reconnecting to the Wi-Fi. Now what have we got? We've got play. Oh, you can start recording or pause, sorry, from your phone, so you can switch the recording on and off on the phone. Take a picture, camera settings, speaker volume, sound recording on or off, collision sensing, speed units, all the same sort of stuff there. Camera files. Again, we've got the camera files there that we just made. So it looks like we are just about done. So I'll get this set up in the vehicle, and if I need to do another video in the future, then keep your eyes peeled. So that's all on this camera. It's the Pelsee P2 Trio. So we've got 3 cameras: front facing camera, cabin facing camera, and a rear camera that you'd mount to your rear window. I think we're just about done on the unit. So that is it, the Pelsee P2 Trio. See you in the next video.